And yet we know that in too many parts of the world, this ideal remains an abstraction, a distant dream. The United States government, maybe most importantly, Chuck knows that war is not an abstraction. And this is not an abstraction. I'm asking you to advocate for me and the millions like me who need our extended unemployment benefits to make ends meet. So I just want everybody to understand, this is not an abstraction.
With respect to how we announced it, I think it was important for people to understand that this is not some abstraction. This is not a political football.
And so the bottom line is that the Affordable Care Act is not an abstraction.
And so often in this immigration debate, it's an abstraction. And we don't really think about the human consequences of our position.
He didn't see them as some abstraction. He knew.
And so my hope and expectation is that once there is an actual nominee, once this is no longer an abstraction, that those on the Judiciary Committee recognize that their job is to give this person a hearing, to show the courtesy of meeting with them.
Now, climate change is no longer an abstraction. And it's not an abstraction.
Now, it's one thing to characterize this thing as not working when it's just an abstraction.